Hey, hello and welcome to RS Glamorous channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a DIY toner that will not only just remove the greasiness from your face but also remove acne and pimples if used regularly. It will also remove redness and rashes from your face. You can also use it in your body if any area is affected with acne or rashes. So let's get started.
This DIY toner is made from the well-known antiseptic neem leaves. We need some neem leaves, 200 ml of purified water and a pan. I'm taking a round bottom pan. Pour the water into the pan and place it over the gas. Take water according to yourself as you desire and put the steam on medium flame. I have just removed the stems and separated the leaves. I am using here dried neem leaves. You can use fresh leaves if available in your area, or else you can get this dehydrated leaf in any supermarket. As you can see, the water has got heated. Uh, Now I am just pouring on it and stirring the leaves properly. It needs to be boiled for 15 minutes in low flame. As you can see, after 15 minutes, the color of the water has changed to greenish yellow. Now we need to cool it down. I will be cooling it down for at least 1 hour. After an hour, all its good properties has came in the water. The color has now become more deep. I have have washed our container to store it. I am sieving it out with the help of a clean kitchen towel. I'm squeezing the residue to get all the neem juice out. We can reuse the residue too. This toner can be kept for 5 to 7 days if freezed, or you can use it for 2 to 3 days if you don't refrigerate it. You can use it whenever you want to. At least use it twice daily to get all its goodness. This toner will not only remove the greasiness from your face but also act as an antiseptic. It will kill the acne causing bacteria, and if you use regularly, your acne and pimples will get reduced. You can also use this toner wherever you have rashes or redness in your body. It will also be good for that area.
So hope you have liked our video. If you had liked it, then give a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, subscribe to our channel for many such upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye.